Hello, my name is Jessica Matousek. Welcome to my ePortfolio. While here, you'll be able to see work completed through the K-12 studies and education in the past few years. There are 15 program outcomes that have to be displayed in order for graduation. First, in my personal portfolio, you will see a self-assessment that was completed before the program as well as one that has been completed after the program. The 15 program outcomes are separated, and within each program, you will find different assignments and discussions that have taken place throughout the course of the program. Program outcome number 1. Possess a deep understanding of subject matter, its place within the discipline, and its connection to other disciplines. You will see a curriculum plan that had to be developed as well as revamped and remodified during the course throughout the last 3 years. You will also find a paper on eliminating the achievement gap, as well as other discussion topics throughout the past few years. Program outcome number 2. Utilize multiple models, resources, and management strategies to meet the needs of and engage diverse populations. Here you'll see a couple case studies that were completed as well as discussion topics. We also had to do a literature review where we had to discuss the multiple resources that were available and the strategies that teachers use to engage diverse populations. Program outcome number 3. Apply knowledge, skills, and attributes equitably and inclusively to ensure the people they serve have the opportunity and encouragement to reach their potential. Other sample works in here, I have a couple case studies as well as another discussion topics throughout the course of this program. Program outcome number 4. Develop assessment-driven standards-based instruction or training. In this outcome, there are 4 assignments, and they all deal with discussion topics that we have had throughout the class. Program outcome number 5. Work as practitioner scholars by applying current research and theory to constantly improve their professional practice. Here you will see samples of a project that was completed on how individual teachers can implement teacher leader roles and how a teacher leader role can change the dynamics of a school and the importance of having positive teacher leadership. There was draft projects as well as the final project, as well as other discussion topics that dealt with individual teacher leader roles. Program outcome number 6. Conduct research to improve practice in professional settings. In this outcome, I had to complete a project, do a comparison of research design. I had to do an evaluation of quantitative study as well as qualitative study, and also a research proposal. Program outcome number 7. Informed thinking and planning for organizational strategies with appropriate data. Here, I had to do an improvement plan based on my current setting in the district that I work in. I did some draft ones, and then finally, the very last one that you see would be the actual improvement plan after it's gone through the rough draft process. There are also additional discussion topics that show that I have met this topic. In this outcome, I have also included the qualitative and quantitative study. Program outcome number 7. Informed thinking and planning for organizational strategies and appropriate data. Here, you will also see another copy of the improvement plan for the district that I currently work in, as well as multiple discussion topics that were taking place throughout the course of this program. Program outcome number 8. Program outcome number 8. Consistently apply standard of ethical leadership and management. You will see a few examples. We had to create a vision statement, take our current district vision statement, and recreate it, and we reword it to show improvement of the vision statement. Along with the vision statement project, I have also included a couple discussions on topics that deal with standards of ethical leadership and management. Program outcome number 9. Understand the attributes and skills necessary to lead and manage professional organizations as complex and adaptive systems. Program outcome number 9. Understand the attributes and skills necessary to lead and manage professional organizations as complex adaptive systems. I've included samples of my work that include the improvement plan for the school district that I currently work in, as well as the final project, as well as a case study and other topics through discussion boards. We also had to complete a literature review. Outcome number 10. Engage in reflective practice for continuous professional growth and improvement. Here there's only a couple assignments. One is a discussion and another one is an assignment on a literature review that needed to be completed. Program outcome number 11. Write clearly and communicate effectively with constituents in a variety of ways appropriate to purpose and context. Here I've included a copy of my research proposal as well as a final project. Program outcome number 12. Engage in thinking analysis and problem solving that reflects scholarly intellectual standards, incorporates sound reasoning, and strives for equity and fairness. I've included 2 discussion points. Program outcome 13. Use technology effectively to improve learning, productivity, and professional practice. I've included an overview of my curriculum that I created, as well as a final project for an improvement plan for the current district that I'm in. I have also included a discussion on how individual teachers can implement teacher-leader roles. Program outcome number 14. Initiate and participate in communities of practice and other collaborations with professional and community members to mobilize resources to best meet candidate needs and to enhance professional growth. I've included a discussion topic as well as an improvement plan. This has been an overview of my program outcomes 1 through 14 throughout the course of the K through 12 studies in education. Thank you for taking the time to view and review the ePortfolio.